Firstly, start by installing the self-test fitting and powering on the device. You can check to see whether the fitting is powered on via the 3 indicator lights, the green displaying its charging status, orange showing test results, and blue showing the Bluetooth status of the device. Next, make sure you have the Elumen app open and ready. If not, you can download and install it free from the Google Play or App Store. When you have that downloaded, open up the app and create an account. To do so, you'll just need to enter in your mobile phone number and follow the prompts. Once you're in, scroll down to bring up all the nearby self-test fittings. To select a fitting, tap on it to bring up its options. Next, press the Identify button to locate which fitting it is that you've selected. This will then prompt the selected light to start flashing for 5 seconds. Once you've identified the fitting you want to edit, go into Settings, and it's here that you can add individual identifiers to the fitting, as well as set up and change the test schedule by picking a date and time when it's convenient to test. Lastly, finish up by selecting the frequency of the automatic test. In this case, we've gone 6 months. Out on site and in a hurry though? No problem. Unless manually set, all self-test products will automatically default out at 2 months after installation, with their test results being valid for another 2 months. Meaning your emergency lights are always tested, always compliant.